Next, video 3. Some algebraic formulas. Algebraic formulae. In that first one, very well-known formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. From this, what is a square plus b square formula? A square plus b square we require. For that, a square plus b square equal to plus 2ab is not required. So from that 2ab bring this side. Already we have a plus b whole square this side. This becomes a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Next, second one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is also well known formula. From this derive one more formula for a square plus b square. We required a square plus b square. Bring a square plus b square one side. Then the remaining term bring it into another side. Minus 2ab is not required in this side. Bring this side. Becomes already we have here a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square. Minus term becomes plus. So plus 2ab. So for a square plus b square we have two formulas. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Or a minus b whole square plus 2ab. If we have your square term is positive, here is negative. If we take square term is negative, here we have positive. For our convenience, whichever we require, apply that formula. Next, third one. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. And fourth one, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Or a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. Next, from these two terms we have 3ab common, bring 3ab common. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into. By taking 3ab common we get here a remains and here we remains b, a plus b. That means a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Next, fifth one, a minus b whole cube. In the above formula we have instead of b we have minus b only. So replace b by minus b in above we get a cube plus b here minus b. So plus and minus minus 3a square b plus right minus b whole square here. Minus b whole square is b square only. So plus 3ab square. Here minus b whole cube. For odd power negative becomes negative only. So minus b. Or in another form. Write a cube minus b cube as first. A cube minus b cube. Next, from remaining two terms, bring minus 3ab common. Here we taken minus, then remains plus. From a square a common, a remains. From plus we taken minus, then minus remains. Here 3ab taken common means remains b. So minus 3a, minus ab minus b. Next, sixth one. A cube plus b cube equal to, so a cube plus b cube is like this, otherwise a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Both are similar form, but plus and minus are different. If we have a cube plus b cube, first factor is plus, second factor and second factor minus ab. If a cube minus b cube, first factor is a minus b in the second factor plus ab. A square b square is always positive. If you take negative here, positive. If you take positive here, we get negative. Next, eighth one. A plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Suppose if we have minus b here, a minus b plus c whole square. So instead of b we have minus b only, replace b by minus b in above, then we get a square plus minus b whole square. Square term is always positive only, b square plus c square. Instead of b we have to write minus b, plus into minus minus 2ab. Here plus 2bc we have, instead of b we have minus b, write minus b, write minus 2bc. 2ca is remains, and there is no term of b. Next, 10th one. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Or in other form, multiply and divide with 2 this factor, then we get a plus b plus c by 2 into, by multiplying we get here 2a square plus 2b square plus 2c square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. You take 1a square, 1b square and minus 2ab, that becomes a minus b whole square. If we take b square, c square minus 2bc, we get b minus c whole square. Next we have one more a square, this a square and c square and minus 2ca, that becomes a minus c whole square. So these are the two formulas for a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Next, 11th one. Formula of condition, that is if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a plus b plus c equal to 0. In the 10th formula, what is 10th one? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to this one. Here we have a plus b plus c. Replace a plus b plus c equal to 0 here. 0 into anything becomes 0. Then what happens? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. Otherwise, rewrite like this. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc in that side becomes plus 3abc. This is the condition of formula. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Next, 12th one. If a square plus b square equal to 0, if the sum of the two positive terms equal to 0, then what is condition then? A equal to b equal to 0. A and b values equal to 0, then that two values, a square plus b, sum of those two values, a square plus b square equal to 0. Since here a square is always positive, b square is also positive, the positive terms, the sum of the two positive terms equal to 0, then the two terms must be 0 only. If the two terms equal to 0, then by adding 0 plus 0 we get 0 only. Suppose if we have three terms like this, if a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0, Then also the same condition. What is the condition? Each term is equal to 0. That is a equal to b equal to c equal to 0. Then each term equals to 0. Then the sum of three zeros equal to 0. Next, 14th one. If xy equal to 0, x into y, here we have plus, but here we have product. If x into y or a into b equal to 0, if x into y equal to 0, then x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, 0 into y becomes 0. Or y equal to 0, y into x into 0 equal to 0 only. Or each term equal to 0. X into y equal to x equal to y equal to 0. 0 into 0 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. 15. If xy equal to 0, if x into y, product of two terms equal to 0, and x not equal to 0, in that one factor is not equal to 0, x not equal to 0, then what happens? Then y must be 0. The product is 0 and one of the product is not equal to 0. That means then the other factor becomes 0 only. So x is not equal to 0 means take x equal to 2. 2 into 0, 0, 0 equal to 0 only. Suppose if xy equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. Y not equal to 0 and product is equal to 0 means then x must be 0. Then x must be 0. X equal to 0. These are the formulas come conditions. Formulas come conditions. We have to remember.